If you've ever wondered what we're actually eating and breathing, hit subscribe. You're about to hear facts you won't be able to unthink. Scientists have already found microplastics in human blood, lungs, and even in the placenta. Not in the ocean, inside people. Sounds like sci-fi, but it's official data. When I learned that regular household dust is the main source of microplastics, I was stunned. You clean your home, and at the same time you breathe in something that was never meant to be in the human body. A single tea bag can release billions of microplastic particles into boiling water. You just want tea, and you get a plastic bonus you never asked for. On average, a person swallows up to 5 grams of plastic a week. That's one credit card, every single week. And most of it goes completely unnoticed. The good news? We can reduce this stream. Filtered water, glass instead of plastic, less hot food in plastic containers, fresh air, and your body gets a lot less trash. Want to see where the hidden sources are and how to protect yourself? Read the full article on rhythmoftheworld.com.